We wanted to make it a place where people enjoy coming here and interacting and providing our employees the best opportunity to do the best job. Where I was brought in was more on the front end, planning what is this building going to be used for? Why do we need this building? What do we want it to accomplish for our customers and our employees? I worked quite a bit on the front end with the architects in designing the look and the feel of the building. They took a lot of great input as to what we were looking for, how we wanted the building to look, what spaces we wanted to use. The initial why was that we were running out of space in our current production facility. We needed to provide our employees in the warehouse a better environment to continue to have the top-notch customer service, on-time delivery that we're known for. Over the course of the project, I think that shifted a little bit. As we grew into the project and understood exactly what we were taking on, some additional whys became apparent. We can create a top-notch laboratory here. We can create a space where all of our employees want to come to work. In a post-COVID time, to get employees to want to come to an office is a challenge. But I still think the core was providing our employees the best opportunity to do the best job. And that started with production and kind of moved into our customer service, accounting, the rest of the staff here as well. We took some elements of our current facility that we didn't really like and wanted to make them pieces that are really enjoyable here, such as our break room. At our current facility, it's hidden inside. Here, it's a gathering space. It's a place where people can work, where people want to eat, where people can entertain. We added some patios, some places where people could sit outside. I really like some of the collaborative spaces on the first floor that are outside of the cubicles. There are areas where you can move to a different workspace. You're in the same building, but it shakes up where you're sitting and may provide, a little spark of inspiration in a different way. I didn't like the fact that when people wanted to go for a walk and get some fresh air, they had to walk through an industrial park. Here, we added some walking trails. You could use it for walking meetings. You could use it for fresh air. You could use it to just think. You could use it to escape into nature. It's an important piece, and it was unique to this particular property. You don't find that in industrial parks very often, so why not use the natural elements of the piece of property we have to create an inviting space that our employees can use? One of the centerpieces of what we do here is the lab. It is state-of-the-art. It's the heartbeat of who we are and what we do. It's research and development, it's technical support, it's oil analysis, it's quality control. Everything in one way or another goes through that lab. A lot of people are excited about how it looks. I'm really excited about how it functions. It's a space where we want to bring customers to. We can discuss their application and then go right over to the lab and put some formulas together. And we have all the testing capability, but we have that opportunity to sit there, have them understand some of the different things that we're trying, have them throw different ideas in, really get to understand what the needs of the project are. We quality control every raw material that comes in. We quality control every blend that we make before we package it off. We intentionally put the lab right next to the production floor so we can get those raw material samples and those blend samples quickly, test them efficiently, and continue to move forward with the production process. And so having that production area close to the lab is going to really help that efficiency aspect of quality control and turnaround. If you go into our current production environment, unless you throw open a dock door or a drive-in door, there's little to no natural light. And one of the things we did in our production space is cut a lot of windows for natural light, which is a really nice, uplifting, kind of more of an airy space to do your work in. We're proud of the building that we built. We like to be a modern company. We stay on the cutting edge of technology. We're innovative in the lubricant space, but we don't want to get away necessarily entirely from what made us great and why our customers like working with us. So kind of having that modern feel, that inviting feel, yet a classic timeless element to it, we feel reflects who we are as a company.